Einstein said the definition of stupidity is to do the same thing over and over again and expect different results, close quote. Now, if anybody were to listen to President Ramaphosa's promises in 2023 and expect different results, such a person would be a stupid person according to Einstein's definition. Because this is the man who promised us a new dawn when he was elected president of the ANC in 2017 and when he became our state president in 2018. Have you ever seen that new dawn? Is there any South African anywhere in South Africa who has seen that new dawn? Let me tell you, I travel across the country. There is nothing called a new dawn in South Africa. Whether you are in the Eastern Cape, I was there 2 weeks ago. Whether you are in Bushbuckridge in Mpumalanga, where I was born, I was there a month or so ago. Whether you are in Gauteng, this is what you are going to see. Potholes all over, which is a sign of a collapse of the state under Ramaphosa. Number two, load shedding, blackouts all over. Ramaphosa has done nothing to turn that around. Criminality is rampant in South Africa. People are being killed left, right, and center. I mean, AKA was shot. Now we've seen that. Education is a mess. So if you take the critical pillars of a functioning modern state, Ramaphosa hasn't touched them over the past 5 years. So it would be a big mistake for anybody to take Ramaphosa very seriously. The last point I want to make with regard to the substance of the State of the National Address is that Ramaphosa has squandered his own credibility. I mean, if you recall the drama around Phala, right? You know, when Ramaphosa became our president, he projected this image of a holier-than-thou, leader. In other words, someone who was better than Zuma. Zuma was corrupt, Ramaphosa was clean. That's the choreographed image we were fed, right?
Absolutely.
But of course, some of us dismissed that nonsense.
And we were lone voices.
And of course, we were told to, we're said to hate the ANC and not to give Ramaphosa a chance and all of that nonsense. Look, it doesn't matter what people in the ANC do. South Africans know that what happened in Phala is wrong, is unlawful, it's criminal, and it's corrupt. And this is the farm of the president. So if the farm of the president is the scene of that kind of crime, why must South Africans take him seriously when he stands before us in parliament and promises that he's going to fix our country? So the man has no credibility left whatsoever. In order to understand where South Africa is today, you must understand the country as an entity that has been run by the ANC from 1994 to 2023. And then you will ask the question, what does the record of this ANC look like over the past 28, 29 years, right? So this idea that let us absolve Ramaphosa, these are problems created by Zuma. Even Zuma, by the way, makes the same argument. That's not my problem. The problem is the Thabo Mbeki administration. We are made to chase our own tails. The fact of the matter is that we are in this mess because of the ANC government that has been in charge of South Africa since 1994. By the way, even if you were to take a needle and try and trace the evolution of the ANC government, you will find that starting with Mandela, by the way, each one of the ANC presidents since 1994 have actually contributed to producing the mess that we are in. When ESCOM advised the government of the day in 1997 that government should invest in electric generation, the president of South Africa at the time was Nelson Mandela. So even Mandela has something to take responsibility for. He did not invest. Thabo Mbeki also, he did not invest. Zuma did not invest. Ramaphosa did not invest. So don't make us chase our tails. It is the ANC government as a whole, including Ramaphosa.